Alright guys, I got something new in the mail today. That's a new attachment for my Utg American. And we're gonna open it up. I already did open it up on the other side, so yeah, I'm just gonna turn it over. It's pretty cool. I already opened it, like I said. Let's see. So this is how it came in, I think. I don't know, I just put stuff in there, kind of how I remembered it. Alright, so let's actually take it out here. Throw that crap over there. And here's the actual product that I got off of Amazon.com. I don't remember how much it was. It was like 20-something bucks. So, I guess I'll open it up like I already did. Let me get over here on this side. Okay. There. Alright. So this was this is, never mind, what am I freaking talking about? This is the New Gen Monster Clamp bipod. Adjustable barrel, fits 53 inch, I think. Wait, 53 something. Man. 53 to 75 barrels. I don't even know what that means. Under the gun. Or that's what UTG stands for, under the gun. Here's this side. And here's the back side. Alright. And there's the other side. So, let me get my gun and put it on there. Where the heck did my gun go? There it is. Okay. Found it. But before we do that, let's actually check out the product a little bit, like I have before. Spring-loaded legs. Ah, crap. Hit my tripod. This is the 8 to 7 inch model. I didn't want the 6 to 7 inch model because I thought it was going to be a little bit too low. So, here's this. And then my hand. Alright, now I'm gonna put it on my gun, my Utg American rimfire, like I did earlier. Oops. Let me show y'all how I did this. Let me close these up. Alright. Now let's put it on there, I guess. Oh, crap. Put that on there like that. Now I'm going to move a little bit up here. You probably can't hear me as well. I don't know if y'all can or not. So you tighten it up right here. I don't know if I'm tightening it up. Feels like I am, yeah. Tighten that really tight. Yeah. Make you do it on this side a little bit. I just released it. Probably was the wrong idea. There we go. Now, let's put these legs out here. Now, let's move this up a little bit. Move my tripod back. Move this up here like that. the BX25 in here like this. Alright. And that's what it looks like on the Ruger American rimfire. I'm hoping this bipod, I'm hoping this bipod will do good for hunting. And let me feel this here. Wow. That's pretty stable. It's not bad. It's not, it's perfect for a rimfire. I mean, I wouldn't, this is what I would definitely get if you're just looking for something new to try. I guess you'll probably have seen videos about this one before. I don't know. This is like I said, I just got it in today and I already put it on there earlier. So this would be probably, I've had it for I don't know how many hours. I was shooting my Gemo Whisper Fusion Pro outside when the mailman came up and he started talking to me. But yeah, I got the new sling, the BX25, and I'm gonna be getting a case. And I already got this new scope. I'm not gonna show y'all that yet and I'm probably gonna just show y'all what's in the box like I did with the Ruger American, because I already opened it up, of course, to look at it. I'm not gonna tell you anything about it. It's just the size, okay? It's gonna be 3:9 by 50, and that's something else I ordered would be something else I'm not gonna tell y'all until I get it here. Like I didn't tell y'all about this. But let's see how it flips here. Oops. Ah man, just kinda messed that up. So that's how it looks flipped. Put these back up. Yeah, it looks better like that. Get this up here again. But yeah, I would recommend this bipod for this gun or any other 22s. And that clamp on there is real tight. So it has just a tiny bit of wobble, but I'd rather have that because I don't like, because you wouldn't want a real stiff bipod, because then you couldn't move around so much. This makes it move a little bit forward, a little bit backward. I wouldn't say that. Never mind. But yeah, this has been man, I need to stop saying this has been the Monster Clamp bipod, the New Gen Monster Clamp bipod review. Expect to see this bipod again. And like I said, I'm really liking this bipod so far. Well, thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.